So hari ni aku nak pergi keluar makan-makan office. Ni company punya makan-makan lah. Lepas tu 2 ekor gorgon ni orang dah kata nak teman aku. Aku pergi makan dekat hotel tu, dia pun nak pergi OU. Tak, gorgon-gorgon ni akhirnya scam aku. Hotel 23 km. Mak ai. Jam. So, sambung nak kereta. Jom.
Nike red. Mesti dah pakai.
Takkan pakai Nike red tu.
Plastic red ni lah.
Mesti Medan yang ni Nike.
Okay what?
Ish.
Lagi nak makan duk atas kursi kau sila. Oh, tak dapat nampak. Yeah, that's why. Yeah.
That's why jangan tanya kawan-kawan opinion. Dia pun bagi aku memang bodoh. Kasut ni?
Yes.
Okay. Aku percayalah 2 ekor ni sebab dia pakai kolong-kolong influencer. Jadi kalau tak kenal style aku ni siap bro.
2026 doesn't matter anymore.
Doesn't matter in 1996. Doesn't matter in.
Saya ingat tak kira mulai tu aku pakai kasut aku pergi sekolah.
Tak.
Aku pakai kasut sneakers Adidas. Itulah aku rasa, oh boleh rupanya pakai baju kurung dengan sneakers.
Yang masa sekolah kau tak tanya pula.
Masa sekolah tak apa. Kita bukan YouTuber lagi masa tu. Bye gorgon-gorgon sekalian.
My crypto.
Why?
Stop recording. Stop recording.
Tekan je lah.
Stop recording.
Tekan je dah jangan kat depan tu.
Aku lupa pula yang aku ada beli tempat lapik jangan bagi licin ni. Sebab aku nak letak smart tag aku. Okay, jadi bolehlah vlog dalam kereta walau tak payah pulang ni. Okay. The thing is, aku tahu aku akan lambat. Sepatutnya kami kena ada kat hotel pukul 12. Sekarang dah pukul 12.20. Dan daripada rumah aku nak pergi ke Damansara tu, of course jalan akan jam. Jadi, instead of aku sampai lambat seorang-seorang, aku decide nak pergi ambil Stephanie kat rumah dia. Dan kebetulan memang aku akan... itulah dia. Bila benda ni canggih sangat, setiap kali aku angkat tangannya, dia akan detect aku nak start recording ataupun stop recording. Okay. Jadi sebabkan aku tak nak lambat seorang-seorang. So, dan kebetulan memang aku akan lalu area rumah Stephanie. Jadi aku cakap Stephanie, aku pergi ambil dia, lepas tu kita pergi sama-sama. Dia biar lambat sama-sama. Dah lambat tu, biarlah lambat together, jangan lambat seorang-seorang. Okay.
Ya.
Tak ada bunyi lagu diam. Nanti kena copyright.
Oh ya ke?
Yes.
Oh.
Copyright, you know.
Oh.
Automatically,
So nanti
okay.
dia mute lah.
Dia akan mute terus
What the-
semua unless let's say lah kalau I dekat kedai. Lepas tu ada background muzik kat kedai kan. So kalau dia flag, I boleh kata lah bukan I yang. Bila dia pandai sangat kamera ni with AI, you know. So bila I angkat tangan, dia
Dia
akan
macam nak pause,
dia akan sama ada I start recording ataupun I stop recording. So tak boleh angkat tangan. Apa tadi dia cakap? Tu lah. Otak ada 2 tapi
ni,
satu sel kongsi 2 orang.
Satu sen setengah.
Imagine okay, for all the viewer, imagine I'm the manager and she's the ni.
Dah setahun nak kerja sini.
Sama bengong. Elok manager dia bengong.
Lagilah tu member dia bengong.
Drive and operate your camera ya. Okay, ni kalau polis tengok ni patutlah aku dapat saman lagi. How did I record dia the other day? I don't think it's this close to my face the other day, but yeah, whatever.
Oh, you letak sana juga ke?
I think so. But why it looks different? To avoid from getting saman again.
Berapa saman you sekarang?
Diam kau 3. Yang best tu confidently. Saman aku 1 je. If you haven't watched my new vlog, kita orang masih pasal saman tau. So buka app JPJ. Bila buka app JPJ, I ada saman je tau. But I remember, memang I ingat I ada 2 saman. Maksud, ada 1 saman je lah sekarang. So very proudly saying that, from 2 now I got only 1 saman. But how come lah? Common sense kau hilang ke Fatin? Lepas tu, bila buka, kawan aku seorang cakap, cuba buka yang polis punya pula. So bila buka, lain dik. In my life, for how many 30 plus years,
Jangan over sangat please.
I thought satu saman akan keluar dekat semua kat seorang. Dia kan tidak, dik. Bila buka pergi kat polis ada 2 saman. So total is auto sum is I got 3 summons now. So yeah.
Gangster Selangor dan dulu dia orang tak letak benda
Kun.
ni.
Slight left
So
onto
memang
Geelong.
jam.
So now we have to go left pula. Wow, very
amazing kan.
Memang
Jalan ni dah lah one way je.
Oh, they are trying to make it only one way.
Dulu two way.
Ah.
Dah jam. Sekarang sama.
Exactly. It's like, oh, I'm trying to solve the problem.
But I'm just making another problem.
I just created another problem. Dah.
Dah.
Cakap dia lagi buat 15 minit kita orang sampai.
Bosses lagi already.
Alah, kita lagi VIP pada bos mah. Lol. Nak cari parking lagi ah. Mesti lah malas tu. Imagine how can we work together? That's why we can work together. I give you a task, I forgot about it.
For 1 kilometer.
Come on. So all the Gen Zs out there, if you think working or having your millennial as a manager, trust me, if you got millennial like me, you're going to have so much fun.
Correct.
Asal. Wah, I look so nice in this camera. Diam kau kalau kau nak aku approve cuti kau diam.
Belum apply.
Belum apply kau nak pergi beauty Bali kan. Baik kau diam. Baik kau puji je aku sekarang.
Okay.
Noted with thanks. Wah, Ganesh pakai baju you. Actually tak tahu. We bought the present for Ganesh. He's our colleague. So kita orang beli sekali lah. Apa ada 2 baju. Dia tak tahu baju tu baju kita orang belilah. Stop recording now. Stop recording. You are freaking AI. You should be clever.
Stop recording. Okay.
Stop recording.
We are almost at Cinnamon. Kita orang guna lift.
Oh, this is nice. This is here.
Kan?
Oh, my baju dah berkedut.
My baju pun dah berkedut dah, guys. Concourse.
So we are going to.
Cinnamon.
So we are the last to arrive. Of course, VIP arrive lambat.
VIP cannot arrive first.
Tak, mana ada. Macam function dah start. Barulah VIP datang.
Tapi masa kerja kita orang paling awal, okay?
Yes. I'm in the ocean. Let's see. Hey! See?
Kita
Tahu
akan VIP.
kita orang anak kesayangan.
Okay.
This is my colleague Shanti.
Just go straight dalam bilik tu.
Oh, okay, right.
Okay.
Thanks. Yeah, nampak gaya. Tak fokus dah Stephanie
Ada
Grace.
cendol lah.
Kau kan dekat Perkim pun kita beli cendol.
Itulah pasal.
Wow. That's a lot. Tak tahu dia kata straight je.
Set langgar dinding.
This is a nice backdrop
Kan?
to take photo. Oh, there is a lot of food.
Chicken rice. Chinese cuisine.
Where are they? Hello. Hi. Hello, hi. Is this seat taken? Thank you. Thank you.
Kita ambil makanan.
Hello, beautiful people. Hello. You're going to be my vlog.
Karti and her
So
strawberry.
yang paling hujung tu handsome.
Okay, Karti and her strawberry.
Yeah.
Start.
Berpisah dia. Happy first, ha? Where's Fatih? Fatih.
Belum sampai lagi.
Oh, belum?
Tengok.
Okay. Ya. Dia beria cakap dekat aku tadi. Kat mana kak? Hotel mana kak? Cuisine and satay. There's a lot. The food selection is so many. I think we also like this section, which is Japanese. Let's see that they have sashimi, man. Yes, our favorite section. Salmon sashimi.
This one I will definitely take.
Okay, kita pusing dulu.
Kita akan ambil.
Tengok apa yang ada, tapi kita akan ambil ni. Should we go that way?
Boleh.
You tunggu siapa sebenarnya?
Pasal
You
My
tunggu.
buddy.
Where are they?
My 3 buddies on the way. Santana,
Oh,
next, Ganesh.
Oh, belum sampai.
Parking.
I see.
Oh, pagi.
Got ice cream. Oh my god.
An assortment of ice cream. Lepas tu ada
Chocolates.
tengok.
Hello. Nice lah. Wow.
Tahu tak, I buat ni untuk kemahiran hidup. Wow, jadi.
Apa benda?
Ni, kuih koci.
Wow, rare lah adik kau.
Rare kan? Form 3 lah tapi.
I dulu form 3 aku buat apron pun tak siap dek. Lepas tu fail PH. Kau rasa? Oh, this is nice.
Wow.
This is pretty nice.
So nice.
So what are we going to take first?
Soalan.
Where's Ganesh?
Entahlah.
Let's wait for Ganesh lah.
Dia belum sampai.
Dia pergi toilet.
Tapi pastry dia
Wow.
memang nampak sedap.
Yep. Jangan lihat.
Only 11:30.
Jom, let's go. So what are we going to take? Party is the last one. But I don't really get it. Kenapa ikan masin duduk dekat ekor tadi?
Appetizer kan? Sama lah.
Semua hotel.
Yang mana?
Why?
Ikan masih cepat. Ikan masih dulu. Ayam juga. Kalau ni boleh lah.
See what I see? Cheese.
So everyone started with the main course.
Yeah.
Okay, now biscuit. I cannot. I see chicken. I will change myself.
He become different person.
Looking good.
Kan, let's go to Western. Dah. Sini cokodok ah.
Okay, maybe I will take Japanese.
What do you want? I take for you. You know what?
Entahlah. Tak tahu lah kak.
Basically kita orang tak tahu nak ambil apa dia.
Kita orang confused. Sorry, but this one we cannot share plate.
Dia tak nak share dengan aku guys. Sotong?
Sotong ni. Tu?
Can I have this one?
This one?
Sashimi. They call it sashimi?
So it's raw, is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
This lamb looks nice.
Yes. I think after this we are going straight there.
I went to heaven and came back up. I went to heaven again. Malaya.
This salmon is nice. So basically di sini banyak gila makanan dia. Kita tengok video tadi, dia ada belah Indian, dia ada Japanese, dia ada Korean, Western, dia ada Chinese, Melayu. So banyak session. So sekarang we are trying the sushi and we took the sashimi. At least aku ambil 2 ketul je guys. Kau tengok Stephanie ambil banyak lah.
Ni baru setengah
Banyak gila dia ambil. Ini budak bertuah. Ini budak bertuah yang ambil banyak.
Sedap.
Sedap.
Boleh lah macam ni.
Yep. Maybe you taste one now first, then you see.
Please. Thank you.
Oh, the person took my... I think we have to eat this first while it's still hot. So let's give it a try. Bismillah.
Nak jaga kucing kau juga.
Yes, please. Yes.
Mana dia tarik?
Tu budak tu belakang.
So this is beautiful Almin here, my friend here. This is my beautiful friend. She's the one who do the celery.
Nanti went to heaven tadi. Tengok reaction dia.
Tolong kau.
Tak mah?
I hope you you guys can enjoy this type of food, so you can experience how I feel. I just go to heaven and come back to earth.
Rasa teratai.
Macam duduk laut. Bagian dia.
The hotel room should be nice. Very high class. No, because now you are in the intern. That's up. So you got maybe no many things to do. But when you come under here, I'm really seeing it. My thing really got no time. Really packed. Suddenly you see 11 o'clock. Suddenly you see 12 o'clock.
Because the production is more on reading, researching, thinking. Boys different. There are production, many producers, very few men. Ada.
Kalau I nak balik pun, I ada 45 minutes.
Is it clear now?
Hello, HD.
Freestyle. TMI tapi nanti berak puas tau.
Anggap tak dengar. Anggap tak dengar.
Sekarang ni pun tengah proses pun. Jadi boleh rasa yang dalam sejam begitu.
Memang worth it. Memang worth it untuk datang makan sini.
Yep.
The food variety is so
Makan pun dalam 4 jam macam tu.
berbaloi daripada pukul 12 sampai pukul 4. Sekarang ni baru pukul 2. Tadi kami sampai pun ada 12 lebih. Dia baru tak sampai sejam makan. Dah kenyang lagu ni.
Tapi masih banyak makanan je.
Ya, kami tak makan semua tau. Masih ada satu-satu kita orang tak makan.
Ada Indian food, ada Malay food,
Chinese food. Kata kita orang tak ambil, kita ambil member punya tadi.
Parah ni guys.
Marah.
Sebab tak pakai slow event.
Tak boleh.
Tak banyak. Dia macam
Boleh weh. Belum ambil pastry lagi.
Tahu apa?
Kalau pastry macam sedap.
Dia punya dia punya coconut
Ice cream.
ice cream ni sedap gila macam sangkaya.
Oh, sedap macam
Ha.
sedap.
Sebab itu bercakap bangsa kan. Itu tak okey.
Boleh bila apa guys?
Alah, order lah. Mas. Kalau kita lah order ni dari Nusantara.
Seseorang masih lagi mampu untuk makan ya.
Tengok ni guys. Ice cream. Maybe it's the last, maybe no. I still have pastry.
Masuk tak?
No?
Fatih, saya ada buat. The most smallest camera on the planet. Hi, Fatih.
Okay, 1, 2. Okay, one more.
Wah, handphone paling kecil dekat dunia. Thank you lah.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Selamat Hari Raya. Very nice lah, really.
Huh? Oh, thank you.
Very different.
Kalau tunjuk piece, dia tak nampak. Dia tak tunjuk piece.
Dah.
Mesti. Kakak Fatih.
Miss Shanti, Miss Melu, come. Come. Ready? One more. But what time you guys are going back?
4 o'clock lah. 4 o'clock. I finish my tea first. No, dia pakai macam ni ya. Look at
Production, come. Production. Ya. Dia tak nampak lah. Jap.
Invisible.
Okay. Hey. Ha. Apa Fatih yang pegang?
Kaki dia lah paling tinggi.
Kau nak nampak kurus. Apa?
Oh,
Saya tunjuk piece dia.
So niche, but very fit. Okay, you go eat dosa and go to dinner. I'm going on to
Lepas tanya dia.
oh pergi bilik lantak
Not the joke.
Buy KFC and put inside the bag.
Like put inside the bag really.
So I buy
The chicken, everything, I put inside the bag really. Before the movie start, we already finished the nugget, we already finished the KFC chicken. We don't realize the movie is not start yet. The screen is blank, only sound. There is something wrong with the screen, I think. Then the GSC girl, she came, she looked at the screen, she looked at the projector. I was like, what's going on here? See, the girl came. Sorry sir, there's a technical issue, we're going to refund your ticket, you also.
That is why people say karma, you know what it is to Ganesh. Pada-pada buat jahat jangan sekali.
This is God punish you for abandon your friend for a girl.
Yes.
I sit like this and then I try to scroll my
Every time I see Fakir,
Okay.
kalau dia
yeah.
Okay, this is the truth If you see the production the screen is scrolling. You better watch our eyes. Sometimes. So dia punya lunch buffet ni sampai pukul 4. Plannya aku nak stay sampai pukul 3 sahaja. Tak? Ya.
Karti.
Kau panggil nama aku? Kau panggil nama aku, kau nak panggil?
Sorry.
Dah sampai pukul 4. Wow, ada kambing. Kambing nak habis. Wow. Switzerland. You're from Switzerland?
Yes, I'm from Switzerland.
What's your sister?
Production memang banyak gambar. Dah sampai belakang rumah. Jam. Tengok sekarang pukul 5:30. So itulah dia ya, vlog untuk kali ni. Semoga terhibur. Sekian saja. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum. Dia tak mau pula aku tunjuk tapak tangan nak berhenti. Kamera ni saja pasal dengan aku.